All right, as requested, I'm going to go through the steps to create your character with the mouth moving to the sounds of the audio clip that I've attached to the Google Classroom. So the first thing that you need to do is create a character. And so you can see I created my character in Wik Editor. Okay, and I made it all in this one layer. And I named my layer body, so I can add in text here. And so I just added an oval, some lines, and these little ovals for the eyes. Okay, so it's quite simple. It's a really simple character. And then I'm going to lock this layer. So I've extended it over 20 frames and it's locked. Now, I've also given you another option to design a different kind of character. So you can, on the Google Classroom, there's a link to a website that creates a South Park style character. So if you're interested in doing that instead of creating sort of the 2D shape design character, you can use this website, or is it the SP Studio, the South Park Studio. So you can use this website to create a character that looks like this, and then we can make their mouth move as well. So it doesn't matter. But if you decide to do this kind of character, then all you need to do is upload it into your asset library from your device. Okay, and then you can drag and drop it onto your timeline and do the same thing where you extend it across multiple frames and lock it so that you don't edit the body layer. Okay, now the next step is I'm going to make a new layer and I'm going to add in the sound effects. And so in order to access the sound effects that I shared with you, you're going to go to the Google Classroom and you can see there's this audio file here that says Happy Friday. You're going to click on it. Okay, and then it's going to play, I think. So pause it. So you're going to click on these three dots in the right-hand corner, and you're going to open this file in a new window, and this will allow you to download it onto your device. Okay, so you click on this download button, and it will save the audio file onto your computer or your Chromebook. And then once it's downloaded onto your device, you can upload the audio file into your Wik editor. So you just upload asset the same way that you can upload pictures. You can upload audio files. Okay, so I'm going to look for it here in my download section, or I can find it right here. So now I'm going to drag this audio file into a new layer on my animation. So I'm just going to create a new keyframe, and I'm going to extend it the same length as my body. There we go. And then I'm going to drag this audio file and place it on this layer. So I can rename this layer audio. There we go. And now, oh, I don't know if that worked. There we go. That was weird. Okay. So now you can see.
Happy Friday.
There's my audio file. So now I'm going to draw in my mouth. So I'm going to create a new keyframe here. And I can do this in a variety of different ways. So I showed you that you can use shapes. So you can use the ellipse and you can draw. Oh, so I'm going to make sure the audio file is locked, the body's locked, but I want my mouth to be unlocked. Good. And I'm going to use the blue, or the black, black. And I can draw an ellipse on my animation. So there's my surprised face. If I want to make a smiley face, I can add in a blue circle on top, like this. And then I can limit my ellipse kind of like that if you want to. Okay, so that's one way to make a face. Or the other way is to just draw it. So I can create a new keyframe and use my brush tool and select the black color and then just draw on my mouth like that. Okay, so do a variety of different faces and use the document that I've given you as reference to help you to create the sounds. Okay, so the ha, right, has the open mouth A, the p, right, has that closed mouth with the line on the bottom, and then the Friday has that sort of like sound, right? So you want to make this mouth kind of like that. Okay, so good luck. Try it out. Save it as an MP4, a video file, and upload it to the Google Classroom when you're done. Thank you. Stop.